what would be your best move if you encounter this question in exam? We are asked to find the value of a in 4 raised to the power of a plus 9 raised to the power of a equals to 25 raised to the power of a. If you want to solve this question, do not forget that 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, right? 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2. Also, 25 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 2. So, I'm going to replace 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2, 9 as 3 raised to the power of 2, and 25 as 5 raised to the power of 2 in the given equation. So, the equation becomes, instead of 4, we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of a plus 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of a equals to 5 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of a. Are you following? Okay, if you have a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of b times c, right? So that means 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of a can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2 times a, right? Plus 3 raised to the power of 2 times a equals to 5 raised to the power of 2 times a. Are you following? The next step is that I'm going to divide both sides by 5 raised to the power of 2 times a. So I'm going to have this over 5 raised to the power of 2a, this over 5 raised to the power of 2a, and also this over 5 raised to the power of 2a. So at the right hand side of the equation, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2a over 5 raised to the power of 2a plus 3 raised to the power of 2a all over 5 raised to the power of 2a equals to 1. Recall that if you have a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, this can be written as I'm coming. Recall that if you have a raised to the power of b divided by c raised to the power of b, this can be written as a over c raised to the power of b, right? Now, because the exponents of this numerator and this denominator are the same, we can write it as 2 over 5 raised to the power of 2a. And then for this also, you're going to have 3 over 5 raised to the power of 2a. This will be equals to 1, right? Now, please, permit me to rewrite the equation here. We have 2 over 5 raised to the power of 2a plus 3 over 5 raised to the power of 2a. This is equals to 1. Okay. Do you know that 1, 1 can be written as 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5. If you sum this and this together, you're going to obtain 1 as the answer. So I'm going to replace 1 as 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5 in this equation. So we are going to have 2 over 5 raised to the power of 2a plus 3 over 5 raised to the power of 2a is equals to 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Okay, now if you compare both sides, we can say 2 over 5 raised to the power of 2a is equals to 2 over 5. That is, you set this equals to this and this equals to this. Also, 3 over 5 raised to the power of 2a is equals to 3 over 5. Now, what is the exponent of 2 over 5? The exponent is 1, right? So we can say that 2a is equals to 1. To get the value of a, we're going to divide both by 2. So a equals to 1 over 2, which is the final answer. You can also make use of 3 over 5, which is the base. You're going to have 2a equals to 1 because the exponent of 3 over 5 here is what? 1, right? So you're still going to obtain the value of a as 1 over 2. So the solution to this equation is a equals to 1 over 2. You can see that it is simple. So that means if you understand the laws of indices, and you can think this question is easy. Okay, so do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next class.